How to easily create keycaps with text. My father has been making keycaps with text for decades and has been asked over and over again to make a video of how to do them. Well, here it is. Step 1. Create your keycap with the text cut into the keycap to a depth of 0.2 to 0.4 millimeter. Resin keycaps work very well as they are easy to finish. Step 2. Carefully fill the text cut with liquid paper or a whiteout pen or brush and wait until completely dry. Step 3. Here a 1000 grit nail file is used to carefully sand away any fill material on the top of the keycap, then switching to the 4000 grit side to polish the top of the keycap. Step 4. Clean the keycap and you are finished. At this point, it is up to you if you want to add a clear coat or lacquer. Here is an example of a Commodore 64C Mini that my father recently made, along with all the tiny little keycaps. The next video is the shift key being filled for the 64C Mini. I'm including this because the step 2 video was hard to see. The key in the next video has been submerged in water for over 2 years and the text is still holding up well.